Alright, this is a video on how to deal with broken feathers that are bleeding. So, what you have to do if you have broken feathers that are bleeding is grab them and I have to get FDA freeze up there just 1 second. It's a bit better. Grab it and pull them out. There we go. Otherwise, they will bleed out a lot. And it's not good for the chicken. This is going to hurt the chicken, but it's necessary. So make sure you have the chicken's head tucked under your armpit, especially if you don't normally handle them. One. There we go. All the broken feathers are gone. And then make sure you wipe out the wound in the area with apple cider vinegar and some sort of chicken cleansing spray.